Good morning, students. Today we will read about the sentence. You know very well about sentence in your pre-class. What is sentence? Sentence, the group of words which gives us a complete sense and express our thoughts, is called sentence. Example, like not, are, tired, prayers. These are only our words, because it not gives us a complete sentence. But when we keep them in a sequence, then it make a sentence. When we keep them in a sequence, it make a complete sense. Like the players are not tired. First, these are only words, and when we make a sequence, then it became a sentence. Like Rahul likes playing football. Every sentence has two parts. Rahul and likes playing football. So first, subject and predicate. The part of sentence that tells us what or whom is about called the subject. Rahul. We are talking about Rahul in this sentence. So in this sentence, Rahul is our subject. The part tells us something about the subject is called predicate. Likes playing football. Rahul is our subject, and what he does, likes playing football. So this is our subject and this is our predicate. Next, here's an example for you. Subject and predicate. You easily. Dog was chasing a cat. Dog, our subject, and was chasing a cat, our predicate. Means dog chased the cat. A bird flew over the sky. A bird is our subject. Bird flew over the sky. Bird, subject, where he flew over the sky. So this is our predicate. The teacher is our subject. Teaches us very well. Our teacher is subject. What he does, teaches us very well. The study table is our subject, and the predicate, that it is very neat and clean. So the first part, which tells about anybody, our subject, and the work which he does, that is our predicate. So this is our subject and this is our predicate. Subject, which tells about anybody, what and whom, that is our subject, and what he does, his work, is called predicate. Okay. Now coming next kind of sentences. In first chapter we read about sentence and subject and predicate, and now we learn kind of sentences. What is sentences? We read, and now kind of sentences. There are 5 types of sentences. Every sentences have 5 types, like affirmative, interrogative, negative, imperative, and exclamatory. Affirmative sentence is simple statement, and interrogative use also question mark and ask the question. Negative, we used always not or no. Imperative, in these sentences we also used our imperative, we also use our request, command, and our directions. Exclamations, we used always our sorrow, joy, wonder, etc. Now first, affirmative or simple statement. Affirmative is our simple statement. It always begins with the capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, Sita. Always Sita is our capital letter and is reading a book. It ends with a full stop. So Sita is reading a book. Simple statement. I have taken tea. I, capital letter, and after sentence we use full stop. So I have taken tea. I am an Indian. I also a capital letter, and Indian. After the sentence we use full stop. I love to paint picture. I love to paint picture start with capital letter and ends with full stop. So affirmative sentence always start with capital letter and ends with a full stop is our simple statement or our affirmative sentence. Second sentence is our interrogative. Interrogative means we ask question and we always use a question mark after the sentence. It's also sentence we always used with capital letter, but in the end we not use full stop, we used question mark because we asked some questions in this sentence, like what is your name? What is your name? Ask the question. Did you meet Mr. Verma? Question. Do you walk very slowly? Question. Now here, do you know about him? Question mark. So it's always start with capital letter but ends with a question. Now third, negative sentence. Negative which we use not, no. It gives us negative sentence, negative sense. Like the teacher will not punish us, not. The girls are not singing a song, not. We are not playing today, not. So in this sentence we always use not or no. So this is our negative sentence. Now come our fourth sentence, imperative sentence. In this sentence we always use request, command or give direction. Request, command, give them orders, and request, give them. It always starts with a verb. We recognize this sentence always with the help of this verb. It always used verb and always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, but always starts with a verb. Switch of the light. Please give me your pen. Go out of my class. So these are all verbs. Exclamation sentence. Exclamatory. What is exclamatory? In this sentence we express a strong feeling, our joy, sorrow, sad, wonder, and we used always this marks after the sentence. It ends with the mark of exclamation. Hooray! We have won the match. Here we have very pleasant. So express joy. Oh, my dog is no more. Sorrow because my dog died. What a beautiful picture it is. Wonder. Wow, when we see anything with wonder, then we use the word wonder. So these are our exclamatory sentences. Now we have one more sentence, optative sentence. In this sentence we also use the mark of exclamation, but in this we use the wish and prayer. We use the two words may and would. May and would also be used in any conditions or in hypothetical. May you live long. We wish may you live long. After exclamation. Would that I were rich. Hypothetical. If I were rich, may he pass the examination. This also hypothetical. May he pass the examination. Would that I had wings. Again. So we used the mark of exclamation after the sentence. So that's your sentence and part of sentence with exclamation. I hope you will understand all of this. So thank you.